If you're wondering about how to go about uploading a YouTube video for the first time, that probably means that you are a brand new YouTuber. In that case, welcome! It can be a really fun and potentially life-changing journey, and I hope that it is an awesome one for you. I'm going to show you today how to upload a video to YouTube from your desktop, and I'm going to go through all those really important settings. It is really easy to do once you know how. You can also do it from your phone, and there's a video I'll link in the card above where I'll show you how to do that too. There used to be different limitations for uploading on phone versus desktop, but these days you can do pretty much all of the same stuff from either, so it's really just a matter of preference. If you don't have a YouTube account yet, go ahead and set one up. YouTube is free to use. All you need is an email address. Once you have your YouTube account, from your YouTube homepage, click your profile picture in the top right hand corner, scroll down and hit YouTube Studio. From here in the top right hand corner, you're going to see Create. From here, we can upload videos, go live, create a post, create a new playlist or a new podcast. We are going to select upload videos. We can either drag and drop our video file in here or click to select files. Here's a really great video I prepared earlier to use as an example. It's me sitting at the dining table writing in my pajamas, inspiring stuff. And that's going to start uploading straight away while we go ahead and fill in all the details. Write a title that's specific to what your video is about, not IMG 5728. This is an opportunity for you to give YouTube a bit of info so it starts to get an idea of who to send your video out to. You want your title to be something that's going to get people's interest and make them want to click. Specific to the video and compelling. In your description, you can write some more info about your video. This is also feeding YouTube information about the video and who it might be interesting to. Often in my videos, I'll refer to other videos or specific products I use, and the description is a really great place to add links to those, along with your other socials and ways people can connect with you. You can check out the description of this video to see what kind of stuff I write in mine. Next, you're going to add a thumbnail. Your options here are to upload a file, auto-generate, or test and compare. Ideally, you're going to design one or a few, or auto-generate and pick one of 3 stills from your video. I almost always run a test, so I'll upload 3 versions of my thumbnail. These are 3 from a different video, but just to give you an idea. For the first couple of weeks your video's up, YouTube will try out the different thumbnails and work out which one people are more likely to click on and use that one from then on. Once you start building up a library of YouTube videos, you will be able to start bundling your videos into playlists. Playlists are cool because there are some people that will sit and watch an entire playlist from a creator. Next, you need to select if your video was made for kids or not. Keep in mind that if you're creating content for kids, you will not be able to earn money from YouTube ads with that content. I'm not going to go into that too much in this video, but you can read more about that when you're uploading your video. My content is not made for kids. However, it's not something that needs to be restricted to viewers over 18, so we can select that next. If you've accepted anything of value from a third party to make your video, you need to tick this box, and if that's you, make sure you have a read of this. Select yes or no to whether your video has any altered content. If you'd like YouTube to add automatic chapters to make your video easier to watch, select this box. I often add my own chapters because YouTube doesn't always get the chapters right. I'll link to a video to show you how to add your own chapters in the description of this video. That can be really helpful and make the viewing experience better for your audience. If you're going to public places like restaurants and shops in your video, you can allow YouTube to automatically tell people about those places. I think that one's a little bit creepy stalky, but maybe you think that's cool. Totally up to you. Automatic concepts is a cool concept. It helps viewers learn about unfamiliar terms you use in your video without leaving the video. This is really quite a cool idea because we don't want people leaving our videos to go look something up and then forget they were watching our video and not finish watching it. Keeping viewers watching is very helpful if you want your video and your channel to do well. Tags seem pretty unessential these days, but I'm always one to fill things in if you can because it can't hurt. Go ahead and select the language you're speaking in your video, your recording date and location. I don't really think recording date matters that much, but video location can help as it's something that viewers can and do search for. Select standard YouTube license unless you want to let other people use your videos, in which case you can select Creative Commons. I'd read up on that. If you allow embedding, you'll be able to add your videos to a website or blog, and if other people share it in theirs, you'll still get the views. Pretty cool, why not? Select Publish to Subscriptions feed and notify subscribers, unless you don't want to notify your subscribers for some reason. If you want to let people create shorts using content from your video or not, check one of these options. Select what category your video falls under. There's a bunch of options, and if you don't see something that seems like it's the right one, just pick which one seems closest to what your video is about. Comments should be turned on. Each to their own, you don't have to, but it's really nice to get to know and to interact with your audience, and reading and responding to comments is one of the best ways you can do that. You can hold your comments if that makes you feel more comfortable. I have basic to screen out potentially inappropriate comments, but you can hold them all, then they won't be visible until you've had the chance to approve them. Whatever floats your boat. I also like to have it be visible how many viewers have liked a video. I value transparency, so I like to be transparent for my audience. Speaking of viewers liking videos, if you haven't already liked this one, please hit the like button. While you're at it, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will do my very best to help you on your YouTube journey. While you've been filling out all the details, depending on your internet speed and how big your file size is, your video will possibly already be finished uploading. If that's the case, when you hit next and go to video elements, you'll be able to add subtitles, an end screen, and cards. The main thing I usually do here is add an end screen. Add an element. Adding a subscribe button is another opportunity for people to subscribe to your channel. And I typically just add a specific video that's ideally relevant to the video your viewers have just watched to keep them watching your videos. As it's probably your first video, if you're watching this video, you won't be able to do that until you've got a couple of videos on your channel. You could add a video that's relevant from someone else's channel if you want, or just jump back in and edit this once you've got more videos on your channel. Save and move forward to checks. You'll see here if YouTube has found any copyright issues, then go to visibility and set your video to public and hit publish, or schedule it to go live at a specific time. Once you get the hang of it, it's really simple, but if this has been helpful, go ahead and save this video for your next upload if you want a pal to talk you through it all again. If you've used this video to get your first video uploaded on YouTube, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know what your first video is about, and I'll be so stoked to hear from you. Earlier in this video, I touched briefly on having a captivating title that gets people to click. If you want to learn more about writing great titles for your YouTube videos, I had the opportunity to interview Jake from Creator Hooks, which is a brilliant resource for YouTubers that teaches you how to craft great titles for your videos. You can click or tap the screen to jump straight to that interview. Wishing you all the best on your YouTubing journey, and I am so happy that you found my channel.